Hi everyone, Trisna Fraser here. Looking forward to seeing some of you in the What Am I Building workshop on the 14th of March from 11 till 12:30 at Ballinballum Place in Brunswick. I've written a little bit about the idea behind What Am I Building. I'll add some links in the comments. I also wanted to talk about what I'm building. The workshop is really just the beginning. So, from workshopping values and purpose and investigating some different ways of goal setting, participants will have access to some optional follow up. You might choose to join a free, moderated online community, or you may like to subscribe to a set of resources that I'll continue to add to throughout the year. More tailored support includes written feedback on your use of those resources or one-on-one coaching. So hopefully I'll see some of you on the 14th of March. Have a look in the comments for some links and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions.